My friend Liam messed up my last YouTube video that I was trying to make. So, I hate you, phone. I hate you, phone.
Alright, so.
I literally hate you, phone. Stupid phone. Gosh.
Oh, so I'm just supposed to scare you?
Yep. So, guys, I can't even see this. It's kind of blurry, so, I'm just gonna stick this.
Wait, drop in your account?
Okay, so, can't think of anything. So,
Once you get logged in, I'm going.
boo! Ah! Who the heck are you?
It's me, dude.
Oh, it's just my friend, guys. Stop. Let's go.
Stop.
Whatever. So, peanuts? Whatever's
You
then.
play baseball? Oh, if you don't remember.
So
No,
now
you play baseball?
No, I don't.
Why is there an ace hat right there? No,
I don't know. I got it for free.
Wait, film me.
Okay, this is my friend Liam. He also has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, and I'm more famous than you. Oh.
That's because I just started. I'm bored. I don't know what this guy wants, but I'm just gonna say, "Hey, you sucker!"
Hey guys, hey Brandon.
I'm walking off. I'm just gonna like trick him. So now we're just gonna go around and just look at whatever.
Here's what would happen.
Say hi.
Wait. Look.
Say hi.
Wait, here was a Vine idea that this guy came up with already, but I gotta show it to YouTube. Watch. Alright. When you think your hero is waving at you, that's what you do.
Anyways, so another good idea is, you guys know there's this thing called Awesome Pokemon by the Sky. Awesome series.
Eagle Raptor.
Yeah, my Eagle Raptor. You guys gotta watch them. They're really funny. My friend Liam says they're really funny, but he's like acting like Ash.
So
It's really funny.
So this is my what?
Yeah, it's hilarious. Anyways, so I don't even know what I'm gonna do.
Wait,
This is a stuffed animal.
Do me. Here's what you gotta do.
Here's what you gotta do when a Pikachu's being chucked at you.
You kill it.
No! Here's what you gotta do when a Pikachu's being chucked at you. No! A poor Pikachu! Yeah! Pikachu! I'll avenge you, Pikachu! I'll avenge you, Pikachu! Aww.
Come at me, bro.
I don't have any weapon. I'll just use my feet. Oh! Oh! Choo!
Alright, it's over now.
Okay.
It's over now.
Playtime is over, guys. So now, video is gonna be ended.
Jam.
Yeah! Yeah! Anyways.
Exodus attack!
Ah, what the heck?
Dude, it was a perfect idea for the video.
I hate these pieces of junk band thingies. Flying birds at you! Anyways. Vroom. Die, computer. Die, computer. Whoa! Too bad. Oh, stupid rubber band. And this is a random person that I met at school. And now he's like almost my best friend.
I like fudge cake. I like fudge cake.
Oh, screaming it in and screaming it out, screaming it in and screaming it out. La la la. La 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 pia papa. La 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 pia papa. La 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 pia. I'm bored. Again.
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 Get get your face in the screen. So now I'm bored. So what are we gonna do? He's gonna eat the guts out of Pikachu.
Alright, I'm done.
And later we're gonna make another video probably about something else.
About like something scary.
Yeah.